Isn't that the most beautiful chicken? Look how well it came out. Still steaming. Hello, today we're going to make a chicken in our Dutch oven, a whole chicken. I love this recipe because for the most part it uses one container. So to begin doing this, we are going to take 2 tablespoons of olive oil, doesn't have to be perfect. Then I take some garlic that is a paste, a little gluten. About half a teaspoon of mustard. A half a teaspoon of ground ginger. Heaping half a teaspoon of lemon pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning salt, black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. And you take it and you stir it around to make a paste, like this. See? Little paste. Then you take your chicken and you massage this paste in. It's like a spa day for the chicken. Make sure you get it everywhere. Over the wings. Just get it in there really nice. Be sure you also get inside the chicken so it's flavored everywhere. Now your chicken is well seasoned. Now for the stuffing, I'm going to chop up some onion. I'm gonna chop up an apple. I will pour some butter into the mix, about 1/4 of a cup, melted. About 1/8 of a cup of lemon juice. I also add extra vegetables that I might need to use soon so they don't go bad. A few carrots, and then I toss it so that the garlic and all the seasonings get mixed well in it. Then I take the chicken and I take all these things and I stuff it. Next, I take some potatoes and I chop those up and add it to the mixture of vegetables. I give this a nice toss so the flavoring gets everywhere on the potatoes, on the onion, the extra apple. I'm gonna add in some carrots. I don't know, it already smells good to me. So once you have that nicely incorporated and everything's covered, I take it and I pour it into the Dutch oven. Should look like this. I forgot. I also have some mushrooms that I wanted to add. I'm gonna add the mushrooms. Next thing I do is I take the chicken, add it on top of all the vegetables. Looks like I need to make a little room for it. Now we're ready to pop the bird in the oven. Once again, the oven is at 400 preheated, and we're gonna start baking it. Now it's out of the oven. Look at it. Isn't that the best? It's beautiful. I'm gonna turn it around for you. It's ready to enjoy.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, how do you like your roast dinner?
We're gonna find out.
Okay.
It's juicy and delicious.
Can you believe that was all made in one pot?
All together?
Mm-hmm.
I thought you'd make this separate from this.
Oh, you can taste it.
Summer squash. And potatoes. Looks like red potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks, honey.
You're welcome. I love you.
I love you too.